Alright, let's look at the concept of higher derivative. So given a function f of x, given a function f of x to be equal to y, my first derivative here gives you f prime of x to be equal to dy dx. So if I differentiate once, I'll have dy dx. Given a function f prime prime of x, this gives you the squared y over the x squared. If I differentiate this first derivation, if I differentiate my first derivative, I'll have my second derivative. If I differentiate my second derivative, that gives you f prime 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 of x gives you the cube y over the x cube. So the more you differentiate that answer you have gotten, the more the value increases, right? The y over the x is got after differentiating my original question. This one is got after differentiating that answer again. I got this by differentiating the answer to this. This is how higher derivative concept works, right? So let's take, I'll do number 1 and 2. You do 3 for me, the assignment. 1 says, given that y is equal to x to the power 5, show that the 6y over x to the power 6 is 0. I have to differentiate this thing 6 times. Let's start, please. dy dx gives you 5x to the power 4. Differentiate this answer again. So the squared y over the x squared gives you 20x to the power of 3. Differentiate again. The cube y over the s cube gives you about 60x squared. Differentiate this man again. That gives you the 4th y over the x to the power 4 gives you about 120x. I'm going to 6. So differentiate this thing again. That gives you the 5th y over the x to the power 5 equals 120. Differentiate this answer again. That gives you d to the power 6y over the x to the power 6. Now, here it gives you 0. So it means that when 120 is a constant term, that's 0. That's why I say I should show that the 6y over x to the power 6 is 0. And of course, this man is 0. This is how I solve this question. For number 2 here, I'm having that y equals exponential 4x. Differentiate this one, use shortcut. I'll have that dy dx equals 4 exponential 4x. Differentiate again, the squared y over the x squared. I assume you should know how to do this shortcut. You said differentiate the power, you have 4. Repeat the question, I have it, that's all. Let's start here. This gives you, but differentiate the power, that gives you 4. That 4 times 4, that gives you 16 exponential 4x. Again, this gives you the cube y over the s cube. If I differentiate this one again there, that gives you 64 exponential 4x. Differentiate 4x, that gives you 4. 4 times 16 gives you 64. Then this one comes back here. I'm going to 4, so moving on to 4. So the 4th y over the x to the power 4, that gives you, differentiate this one here, that gives you 4. 4 times this gives you 256. So 4 times 64, 4 times 4 is 16. Let's carry 1. 4 times 6 24 plus 1 5. So I'll have exponential for x. This is my answer. So you can see from your first one, differentiate the answer again gives you the squared y over the x squared. This answer again gives you the cube over the x cube. This answer gives you the 4th y over the x power 4. So this answer here, what I'm asked to find the 4th y over the x power 4 is this. So you help me find 2x plus 4 to the power 7. This, of course, a chain rule. So differentiate these things 5 times, right? So let me know your answer in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to like this video, share to your classmates, and also subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. Also do well to use my website. I will leave a link to my website in the video description. I can see on my screen the link to my website, right? And aside that, I have a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. You can get this book in the video description. So check the video description. You see a link that will take you to the ebook of this book, right? Ebook. So the link will be in this video description. So check there. You see a link that will take you to where you can have access to this book of mine, and also do well to share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. If this is the first time here, subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next class. Welcome to Excellent Academy. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial video.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website. A complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAEC and JAMB classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including The Shortcut to Academic Success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description.